Good day po mga bayang karerista. May 31, 2026, Sunday at Metro Turf Club. Start time at 3 p.m. Yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po nasa dulo na naman po kasi medyo marami po ngayon. Start na po tayo. Race number 1. Start po ng first pick 5. Races 1 to 5. Distance 1,400 meters. Sa araw po ng Sunday, bali 8 races po tayo. Kaya start po ng race number 1, first pick 5. Pampremera ko dito, race number 1, numero 8, Red Miss. Ito sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa puhunan, tingin ko pwedeng soloin to. Last run to, na-scratch lang to. Ngayon, ang ganda ng position niya. Last to enter, tapos cambio hinete, JM Storke. Magaling magpalundag tong hinete na to. Kaya tingin ko, baka iuna na to. Tapos second choice ko, numero 5, Beautiful Things. Ito, Beautiful Things, tumersero to last run. Kala rush. Ginawa ko lang second choice kasi nga baka mag-umento si Kabayo. Tingin ko ito pwedeng tumalo kay Red Miss, numero 5, Beautiful Things. Pagkatapos nga pala ng info ko dito sa race number 1, in-upload ko po yung nubato sa run neto ni Red Miss saka yung last run ni Beautiful Things para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 1, pang-primera ko po numero 8, Red Miss. Second choice ko numero 5, Beautiful Things.
There. On the way now, got talent looking for the lead. Rush. Moving up by the wheel now and down in third. Is Sana Maulit Mulia. And as they settle now, got talent. Racing on the outside, 2 lengths back. Rush. Then followed by Sana Maulit Mulia. Around the outside now is Domino Effect and Beautiful Things. But he still got talent. Leads by some 2.5 lengths. Got talent. Leads the pack to about 2.5 lengths. Rush. Try to get closer in. Second 2 lengths for the back. Sana Maulit Muli. Rushing up now for the outside of the favorite. This is Freedom Day. And as they race the last 3 8-mile pole, he still got talent. Leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Rush, and 4 lengths for the back. Coming closer now is Freedom Day. Beautiful Things now by the outside. 300 to go. Got talent. Rush for the outside. And running into Freedom Day, but he still got talent. Rush for the outside. Beautiful Day, we got Beautiful Things. Down to the finish now is now Rush for the outside, moving up Freedom Day, and hitting the finish line is Rush. Second Freedom Day, Beautiful Things, Artikulo 11, Got Talent.
And there you have it, Bayang Karerista, imported runner number 1.
Thereof, early second by Red Miss, rushing up nice Great Britain and Golden Charaiwa. Great Britain racing on the outside, followed by Red Miss, and 2 lengths back to Golden Charaiwa. Back to 3 lengths lead over Red Miss. Here comes Golden Charaiwa now for the outside third, and about to pass the last 400, still Great Britain. Racing on the outside, a length back to Red Miss and Golden Charaiwa as they swing for home, still Great Britain. Racing on the outside, followed by Red Miss and Golden Charaiwa. Down to the finish now, it's still Great Britain, moving up Red Miss and Great Britain. It's now Red Miss, and finally it's Red Miss, Great Britain and Golden Charaiwa.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo, start po ng winner take all, races 2 to 8, distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa race number 2 na to, sa start ng winner take all, medyo magulo kagad to kasi grupong bulok kagad. Kaya pag may mga kursunada po kayo dito, dagdag nyo lang, lalo na't mga dihado. Race number 2, pang primera ko, numero 8, One for the Road. Wala kasi ako nakikita mabilis, baka mauna to at mapabayaan sa unang, tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera. Second choice ko, numero 9, Double Strike. Double Strike, baba na sa laban, tingin ko laki na rin chance manalo dito, bigyan lang ng importansya na may-ari. Tapos third choice ko, numero 6, National Treasure. Ito, Cambio Jinete, LF Jesus. Kaya tingin ko may panalo rin to dito, numero 6 na to. National Treasure. Kaya po sa race number 2, pang-primera ko numero 8, One for the Road. Second choice ko numero 9, Double Strike. Tapos third choice ko numero 6, National Treasure. Sa race number 3 na po tayo, start po ng pick 6, races 3 to 8, distance 1,600 meters. Dito sa race number 3 na to, pang-primera ko numero 4, Bubu. Baka mauna at hindi habulin nila Lisca Blanca sa unahan at ni Dream Girl. Tingin ko malaki chance na makatapos ng karera to kahit 1.6 pa ang distansya nito. Tapos second choice ko na rin yung umintadong kabayo ngayon, numero 2, Lisca Blanca. Lisca Blanca, last run, ito yung sumigunda kay Pirate. Paumento tong kabayo na tingin ko. May laki rin chance manalo, numero 2, Lisca Blanca. Tapos third choice ko, numero 5, Dream Girl. Ito, bigyan na lang ulit ng importansya na may-ari ito. Tingin ko, malaki rin chance na ito manalo dito. Numero 5 na to, Dream Girl. Kaya po sa race number 3, pang-primera ko pa numero 4, Bubu. Tapos second choice ko, numero 2, Lisca Blanca. Tapos third choice ko, numero 5, Dream Girl. Sa race number 4 na po tayo, start po ng second pick 5, races 4 to 8, distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa race number 4, sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa punan, tingin ko pwedeng soloin to, numero 6 na to, Windmill of Summer. Ito, Cambio Jinete, PM Caballejo na. Last run, CS pare, nagmadali lang yun. Kaya nabalikan ni si Mischief. Ngayon, PM Caballejo, tingin ko maganda itatakbo nito. Tapos second choice ko, numero 2, Madam Edrea. Madam Edrea, last run, ang ganda ng panalo nito dun sa kabila. Layo na nalo. Yun nga lang ngayon, may asa Metro Turf ngayon. Tingin ko yun ang magiging factor ng ikatatalo nito ni Madam Edrea. Saka medyo malakas din yung laban niya ngayon, Windmill of Summer. Pero pag hindi maganda tinakbo ni Windmill of Summer, ito pang protection. Numero 2, Madam Edrea. Kaya po sa race number 4, pang primera ko po numero 6, Windmill of Summer. Second choice ko po numero 2, Madam Edrea. Pagkatapos nito pala, in-upload ko po yung last run nito ni Windmill of Summer sa ni Madam Edrea para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano niyo po sila tatayan.
Set once more, and they're off and running. And beginning very quickly, wide out on the track was Madam Adrea, striding forward to lead. Scooting through in the centre is I Told Mama with good speed, and No Quit got away pretty well. Back on the rails came Cat Cool. Now wide out on the track is Sana Maulit Nuli in that orange jacket, and then came in between runners the grey Oliver Bell. Back at the tail of the field is Bond's Target. He's already 15 lengths off them as they go by the 800 metres, and on the inside it's Madam Adrea, your favourite. Leading narrowly the outside is No Quit, rather I Told Mama in second spot. Back in third is No Quit, then came Hiroshi. Outside of Hiroshi then is Sana Maulit Nuli, and then came Cat Cool. A long way back behind them then was Oliver Bell. Bond's Target is the tail ender. Favourite travels like a winner coming to the home turn, Madam Adrea, and slipped away here under Louis Luna with a 3 and 4 length lead. In second spot we've got No Quit, then came Hiroshi in the centre, and wide out on the track running on only fairly as I Told Mama. Madam Adrea gave them the slip at the 150 and she shot away. Look at the Madam go, she's in full flight and she's 8 and 9 lengths in front of in second spot No Quit. What a big win. Madam Adrea wins by probably 10, Hiroshi second, No Quit third. Oliver Bell made up ground late, followed then by I Told Mama. Then came well back behind them was Sana Maulit Nuli, and pulling up.
Horses out, you have Humble Kaloy. Best to begin down our inside is Mischief, and in third comes Great Balls of Fire. Also moving up now is Windmill of Summer down our inside Freedom Day. Back to the leader, we have Humble Kaloy, the leader by a length. Mischief in second, 3 lengths away in third. Windmill of Summer, Great Balls of Fire in fourth, and followed by Freedom Day, and Miss Rainbow is running up the tail of the field. Down the back stretch, they trouble, let it still. Humble Kaloy just in front On the outside, second is Mischief. And in third, trying to get closer now is Windmill of Summer. Great Balls of Fire in port. Then comes Freedom Day. Humble Galoy moving up now. Z Mischief on the outside. Windmill of Summer joining them on the outside. Windmill of Summer. Z Mischief fighting it out for the lead. Humble Galoy in third. Windmill of Summer running by the rally is Z Mischief. Windmill of Summer by Hapalang down on the inside is Z Mischief. As the field turns for home, Windmill of Summer is Z Mischief is fighting back down on the inside once again. On the outside, Windmill of Summer is Z Mischief is running by the land down to the finish. Windmill of Summer on the outside is Z Mischief is running by the land. Windmill of Summer, Z Mischief, Windmill of Summer is Z Mischief once again down on the inside. And the finish line is coming to be Z Mischief, Windmill of Summer. Then comes 4 Great Balls of Fire, 6 Humble Galoy.
Sa race number 5 na po tayo, start po ng pick 4, races 5 to 8, distance 1,400 meters. Pampremera ko dito, numero 5, My Star. Ito, bigyan na ng importansya na may-ari to. Tingin ko, lamang na lamang dito to. Baba na sa laban. Tapos second choice ko, numero 7, Lightning Bolt. Sakaling hindi bigyan ng importansya yung 5, My Star, tingin ko, ito pwedeng mapset sa kanya. Numero 7, Lightning Bolt. Ang ganda ng position, last to enter. Kaya po sa race number 5, pampremera ko po, numero 5, My Star, tapos second choice ko numero 7, Lightning Bolt. Sa race number 6 na po tayo sa last DD plus 1, distance 1,600 meters. Dito sa race number 6, pag may mga kursunada po kayong mga dehado, dagdag nyo lang po kasi itong numero 2 na to, Sherbet Fountain, para po sa akin dito sa race number 6, susuloyin ko na po to. Wala kasi nakikita mabilis, baka mapabayaan sa unahan to. Tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera kahit 1.6 pa to. Tingin ko lang ikatatalo nito yung ni Sherbet Fountain dahil nga mahaba yung bakasyon nito. Pero tingin ko naman, magaling pa rin naman tong kabayo na to kahit galing sa bakasyon tong kabayo na to. Kaya tingin ko, lamang pa rin to dito, numero 2 na to, Sherbet Fountain. Kaya po sa race number 6, tong numero 2, Sherbet Fountain, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po. Sa race number 7 na po tayo sa last double, distance 1,400 meters. Ito sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa punan. Tingin ko pwedeng solohin to. Numero 5 na to, Worshipful Master. Baba sa laban. Problema nga lang galing sa mahabang bakasyon to. Tingin ko pag hindi maganda sinalida, yun din ang tingin ko itatalo na ito. Pero pag maganda sinalida na ito, wala nang paunahin to. Numero 5 na to, Worshipful Master. Tapos nag-protection ako numero 4, Sabel. Sakaling hindi maganda yung takbo ni Worshipful Master, ito pwedeng pang-protection. Numero 4, Sabel. Kaya po sa race number 7, pampremera ko po numero 5, Worshipful Master. Tapos second choice ko numero 4, Sabel. Sa last race na po tayo, sa race number 8, bago nga pala magbigay ng info ko dito, makikiusap ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. At pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa race number 8 na po tayo sa last forecast, distance 1,400 meters. Dito sa paratingan sa race number 8, pag may mga kursunada kayo dito, lalo na't mga dehado, dagdag nyo lang kasi medyo magulo talaga itong paratingan na to kasi medyo grupong bulok din to nung last race na to. Pampremera ko dito, couple entry numero 5, Quincy saka 5A Arthur's Team. Yung Arthur's Team dito ako nagagalingan. Tapos second choice ko numero Giselle's Princess. Ito baka mauna, mapabayaan nila kahit maraming mabilis. Tingin ko ito pa rin babandera kasi mabilis tong kabayo na to, Giselle's Princess. Tapos third choice ko numero 13, Mr. Sipukot. Ito ang ganda ng position, last to enter. Tingin ko makasabay lang to. Tingin ko malaki chance makarimate. Numero 13, Mr. Sipukot. Kaya po sa last race, race number 8, pampremera ko pa couple entry numero 5, Quincy, 5A Arthur's Team. Tapos second choice ko numero 10, Giselle's Princess. Tapos third choice ko numero 13, Mr. Sipukot. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos nito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po. May pa-shoutout po si Ayesa Alce. Pinapa-shoutout nyo yung daddy niyang si Edwin Alce. At yung tito niyang si Wilbert Alce. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Edwin Alce at Wilbert Alce at Ayesa Alce. Shoutout po sa inyong tatlo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Ariel Paragas. Pinapa-shoutout nyo yung mga batang hamog. Sila Ariel, Leo, Noel, Joel, Ryan, Ebad, Ramil, and happy fiesta sa Sampaloc, balik-balik. Shoutout po sa inyo mga sir at happy fiesta. Sa din Sir Ariel Paragas, shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ariel Balon na pinapa-shoutout niya si Mang Jega. Mang Jega na mahilig din mga rera. Shoutout po sa inyo Mang Jega at sa din Sir Ariel Balon, shoutout din sa iyo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ramon Carpio, pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung kumpare niyang si Tirso Espiel. Sir Tirso Espiel at Sir Ramon Carpio, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Manuel Tandes, pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung pinsan niyang si Boyet Flores at yung kumpare niyang si Robbie Santos ng Galas, Quezon City. Shoutout po sa inyo Sir Boyet Flores at Sir Robbie Santos at Sir Manuel Tandes, shoutout po sa inyong tatlo at maraming salamat po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Eduardo, pinapa-shoutout niya si Eddie Aquino, Kilata Boots Garcia, Raymart Barroso, Jao, Ronald Batman, Budot, Candy, and Atoya. Shoutout po sa inyo mga sir at sa din Sir Eduardo. Shoutout din po sa iyo at maraming salamat po.